Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the product's variance condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, go ahead and click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the Variant Quantity option. Block if less than sets the minimum quantity allowed, anything less will be blocked. Block if more than sets the maximum allowed, anything more will be blocked. Remember, you can't use block if less than and block if more than at the same time. We'll enter 5 in the block if less than field, so the customer's order will be blocked if the variant quantity is less than 5. For this example, we'll use another condition called products, because we want to apply the variant quantity restriction to a specific product. You don't need to use the products condition if you want the restriction to apply globally, that is, to all products. Now click Add a New Condition again, select Products, and add your desired products. You can add multiple products, but for this example, we'll add just one. Let's select Selling Plans Ski Wax. Now, you'll need to give your rule a name. The name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers see this when the rule works. So, make it simple and useful. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Your rule is now set. Now let's add 2 units each for the Selling Plans Ski Wax and Special Selling Plans Ski Wax variants. Let's head to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is showing up, which means the order is blocked because the single variant quantities are less than 5. Now let's increase the quantity of both variants to more than 5. Again, let's head over to the checkout page and take a look. As expected, the error message is now gone because we've met the minimum requirement of 5 units for both variants. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or head over to our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options here. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!